This looks really good.
Thank you.
Wala kayong anything ni Kisses?
Kisses?
Oh, anong anything?
Siyempre friends kami ni Kisses.
Friends lang.
Oh, yes.
Hindi mo siya naniligawan.
Hindi, ano lang. Pero naging mas close na kami ngayon kasi siyempre
So,
dami
niligawan
namin
mo siya?
projects together. You are the best because you put others before you. Selfless is selfless. Payat mo ngayon.
Thank you.
Wow! Ang dami nagsabi kay Kisses, pero proud ako dyan kasi hindi kumakain yan ngayon.
You make me smile when you appreciate the little things. Kasi appreciative siya. Mawawala yung ilang mo kapag nakilala mo na yung tao kasi dati hindi kami magkakilala.
So, kilala mo na?
Would you say he's boyfriend material?
Siguro po, pag mga 25 na ako, siguro masasabi ko boyfriend.
Are you willing to wait?
Sabi ko kanina, basta tama ang gagawin mo, willing to wait. Yeah, right now we're really happy. I'm really happy that I get to have Kisses as one of my friends and someone that I can talk to, someone that I can work with and share this blessing.
How do you picture your ideal girl?
My ideal girl. Parating sinasabi to gusto na someone who's very simple and cares about others more than herself.
Love mo ba ako? Sagutin ko? Siyempre. Love mo ba ako?
Oo naman, as a friend.
So, Donnie, what is love? Love is something you can't explain.